Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about the configurator experience on CPN. The configurator is used by MSPs to create subscriptions and can be accessed via this left navigator. So once the MSP is on the configurator screen, they can select the service for which they want the subscription to be created. Click on Create. Here they can select the customer for which the subscription has to be created. Click on Next. On the base of a page, they can basically select the offering that has to be related to the subscription, add the quantity, select the term, and as well as the billing option for the subscription. As you can see, the MSP can go back and edit the quantity, term, or billing option from here. Once they are sure that these are the selected options, they can click on Next. Right, so that takes you to the review screen where they can see the selected quantity as well as the total net price. They can also see the overage price here, which is basically the per unit price for the overage. They select the checkbox and hit create subscriptions. Here they can confirm to create a subscription. So now the subscription has been created. It would take a few hours to get it activated. Meanwhile, they can go to the subscriptions page and look at the subscriptions that they have created. So we can access the subscription details here in the future as well. That's our configurator experience. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to the CPN product management team. Thank you.